Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.80 and $7.18 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $2.96 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 67 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital currency is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Standard hubs acquire prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure significantly bigger awards for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at an incorporated area. This lessens inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by disseminating traffic among various ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and registering assets on a P2P premise. At the end of the day, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen inertness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage furnishes excellent streams with low inactivity, and clients can procure compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta organization is at present worth 84 cents USD. Theta has moved 0.38% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,061,767. Theta organization is at present positioned 54 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $844,369,919 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. There are a few motivations behind why we accept that Theta has the potential for critical development before very long. Right off the bat, the quantity of web clients keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Also, use levels in created markets like the US are as of now very high. Yet there is still space for development as additional individuals become open to utilizing on the web administration. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Theta organization value expectation. 2023 Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.27. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.18 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.01. Theta organization value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.11. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.69 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.86. Theta organization value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.96 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.70 and a low of $2.53 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Theta Organization effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.80, with a base cost of $3.38 and a typical cost of $3.55. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.39 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.22 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.64. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.24. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.49. Neglecting to assemble the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.07. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $5.91 and a yearly cost close above $6.33 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.75 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.18, averaging out at $6.92. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.27 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.94. The ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an examination of numerous elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In view of our gauges, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at 84 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $844,369,919. Is Theta Organization a wise venture? Theta Organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that Theta is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta Organization might conceivably reach $1.18 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected